R programming are the important operations. There are some operations that can use to work with the data structure in R programming. For example, let us use the data from exercise 2. So this is the vectors. And then we put these 3 vectors in a data frame. So this is the output of the carry marks. So as you can see that there is a missing value. So to test whether is there any missing values or not, in the data frame, so you can type here is dot NA and then type the object carry marks, run. So the true here represent that this is the missing value. So there are 2 missing values in this data frame. So let's say based on this data frame, we want to recode, let's say, the value of 90 as the missing value. So how to do that? So you can type here carry marks. Use a $sign. So the value that we want to record here is from the score. And then use the square bracket, carry mark, $sign, the score, which is equal to 90. We want to replace equal to NA. Run. So if you run, the carry marks here, so you can see that the value or the score of 90 become missing value. And then if you want to remove the missing value from the data frame, you can use the na.omit. For example, let's say we create a new object, new data, is equal to the na.omit. We use the na.omit to remove the missing values. So the new data will produce all the available value. Or you can also use the coding of complete.cases instead of na.omit. For example, if you type here carry marks, so we only want the complete case. So complete cases, from the carry marks, and then comma. So yang column row yang ada NA, so will be removed. Column kita nak semualah. And then run. So only complete cases are selected. The next one, data management for character vectors. For example here, let's say you have a character vectors, name color. So let's say we have red, blue, and green. So this is the character vectors. Remember, character vectors, the output, each of the element must have a quotation mark. And then let's say we have another vectors also in a character vectors, name more colors. let's say I want to add um, to the vectors, okay, name more colors. So I just put color, okay, so we just come from the vectors color here, from the vector color here, okay, and then I can add, okay, another element, okay, let's say yellow, purple, and white. Okay, so the new vectors, okay, will add the new element and also maintain the existing one. Okay, and then if you want to print, okay, the first two letters of each color used, okay, so you can use the function, so you can use the code of sub ser. Okay, you choose substring, subset from a string. Okay, so let's say you want to subset, okay, the string from color, say from vector color, okay, so starting from element 1, okay, so how many? 2, okay, so so it will appear REBL and GR. So the first two alphabet, okay, from the character will be appear, okay. And then you also can use, okay, paste function, okay, to add some other word before or after the element in vector. Okay, for example, let's say you want to put cars, okay, at the end after the before the colors. Okay, so you can put here, you can type here paste, okay, and then color, and then at the end you want to put cars. Okay, so the output will be red cars, blue cars, and green cars. Okay, so you don't have to write one by one. Okay, and then you can also, okay, use space 0 to add any extra letter after the element. Okay, for example, blues, reds, red tu nak tambah S, okay, reds. So kita guna ni lah, space 0. Okay, so let's say we want to type several, comma, okay, color, comma, okay, dekat ujung tu kita nak tambah S. So you put here S. Okay. So, several ni you must put space bar. Okay, or else nanti dia jadi rapat lah. Okay, and then run. Okay, so the output will be several reds, several blues, several greens. Okay, so colours ni dia akan tambah S dekat hujung ni. Okay, you can also use collapse parameter, okay, to the paste function, which will allow all the element in vector to collapse, okay, into a single character. Okay, for example here, let's say paste, okay, so I want to write I like, okay, color, and then collapse, okay, equal to comma. Okay, so nanti dia akan jadi satu elemen sahaja. Okay, and then dia akan tulis I like red, I like blue, I like green. Okay, so this is the output. Okay, I like red, I like blue, I like green. So dia cuma ada satu sahaja. As you can see that they are become in one character. Okay, so you can use the collapse function. Okay, the next one is the data type conversion. Okay, so we can convert the character data type to factor or data frame to matrix. Okay, so there are two functions in R that can help to convert the data. Okay, first you can use is dot numeric is dot character. This one is for the purpose to test. Okay, the data type. And then you can convert the data type into a specific data type that you want to. Okay, for example, asalnya data tu dalam bentuk character. Okay, so you want to convert into a factor. Okay, so you can use as dot factor. Okay, ataupun data tu dalam numeric, you want to convert into character. Okay, so you can use as dot character. Okay, so you can refer to the example 76. Okay, so let's say we want to test whether the vector is numeric or character. Okay, for example here gender. Okay, so we have male, female, female, male, female, and female. Okay, and then run. So if you want to test, is it true that the vector gender is numeric or not? Okay, so if gender is numeric, so dia akan tulis true lah. Okay, if not, dia akan keluar false. Okay, so run, so dia keluar false lah. Okay, because actually this is a character vectors. Okay, and then if you want to test, betul tak? Okay, is it a character vector? So you can test using is dot character. Okay, gender. And then run. So betul lah. Okay, this is a character vectors. Okay, so let's say we want to change the character vectors into a factor vector data type. Okay, so you can use as dot factor. Okay, so you can type here gender code as dot factor. Okay, the gender. Okay, run. So when you run the gender code, okay, so it become a factor. Okay, they become categorical lah. Okay. Okay. The next one, okay. Let's say if I want to create a data frame, okay, my data, which is in a data frame. Okay, if we still remember, we have the variable of height and weight. Okay, where the height is 156, sorry, 160 154, 148, 170, 178, 188, 163, 165, and 157. Okay, with the weight. Sorry. Okay, 48, 56, 45, 50, 68, 75, 81, 65, 70, and 49. Okay, so let's say this is the data frame that consists of these two vectors. Run. Okay, so the data is in a data frame. Okay, so if you test, okay, is dot data dot frame. Okay, my data. Okay, so definitely is true. Okay, so let's say if I want to convert this data into a matrix. Okay, so how to do that? Okay, so we can name my data 1, okay, as dot matrix. Okay, my data. Okay, run. Okay, so you will get your data. Okay, your new object, my data 1, is in a matrix form. Okay, so you can test whether your new data is it a matrix or not. Okay, by using is dot matrix. Okay, my data 1. So kita check, is it my data 1 is in a matrix form? Okay, so true. So we have already convert the my data into a my data 1 which is in a matrix form. Okay, thank you.
Thank you for watching.